In this video, I will show you how to add books in Goodreads. So first of all, open up your app and from here navigate to the top bar where you can click on title, author or ISBN. So let's say you have a title of a book and let's say we have a book about Musk. Then we're going to click on search and then we're basically going to find that book title, and you can find it on title, or when you have a more specific book, or you just prefer using the ISBN number, then you just click on X and then just type in the complete ISBN number in this bar, and then you will be able to add the book in your Goodreads. And if you don't like typing, you can also use the camera, and you can just click on that camera button just down below. You need to give Goodreads access to your camera, so just click on allow for that, and then you just need to basically hold your camera on your book, and then it will automatically see everything that is in there, as you can see already. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.